Did use, actually have.
Did use and actually have ratings, which was useful and was used.
It's kind of annoying to forget about radians and degrees, and then you realize you did the wrong thing, and you've been working on it for 20 minutes, and then...
Gotta check them radians, man. Check them.
Bruh. All right. We got 2 lessons to go over, right?
Yes. I only did part of one. Yeah.
Why?
Because I kind of didn't have a lot of time.
Oh, I went too far. I was confused.
I didn't have enough time to do it this morning. And I didn't.
Let's see. I guess we need some pictures, don't we?
For the first one, because we have inverted lessons.
2 through 16.
Yes.
That's what we did. All right. Let me grab my thingy-mabob, grab my coffee, and turn on the television and flip the camera around. There's no one on the live stream.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, someone said hi.
Oh, hi, whoever you are.
Jimmy Corral.
They're like not here, but they said hi. That's very strange. Analytics are not analyticing. Yeah. Landon doesn't exist. He's a pigment of your imagination.
No, this is like
Yeah, but there's nobody there. It says 0, 0, 0, and he's a ghost.
It said hi and
He's a ghost.
Landon, can you hear us? Landon. I'm probably gonna say no. I can't hear you.
Here now.
That's something like this.
Now you can talk to him. Here you go.
Hello, Landon. This is Malcolm. How are you doing today? I hope you're listening to this because this is very important for you to listen to.
He probably has it on YouTube right now.
Reed says
He may have left.
Reese says you're probably
no,
muted.
he's still there. Oh, the analytics caught up.
I'm in the Matrix. He's in the Matrix. Landon is in the Matrix. Reese, say hi.
Hi.
He said hi. I don't know if you heard that. You may not be close enough to him. Reese, say hi closer.
Hi.
I hope you heard that time. Because that time he actually said hi into the microphone. You haven't said anything about us yet.
It's the American Pickers.
We're about to watch American Pickers. I hope you're not missing anything exciting because the bacon or the egg. The episode is called The Bacon or the Egg. Why won't you give him the
Mick.
Why would you give him the mic?
I didn't give him the mic. I gave him a mic.
Why would you give
My
me
mic is
a
still
mic?
on my person.
Well, you see, Landon,
Why did it
it's
go
to
black?
annoy you, and that's the goal, I think. TV.
Landon, are you sick or something? Why are you absent?
He's going to the Texas Tech game.
Going to the Texas Tech game.
Wow.
Wow,
and
that's crazy.
And yet he still has time to come into the live stream.
That's crazy, bruv.
Oh,
Boom.
no. He says, oh, no.
Okay. All right, number 2.
Number 2.
No. Okay, number 2 is that right there. Number 4 is right there. Number 6.
Number 6.
And number 8. That's as far as we went on that one, right?
Yeah.
2 through 8.
On the
Great.
lesson?
That lesson, yeah.
No, we went to 16, didn't we?
Oh, well then let me take another picture. Oh yeah, there weren't any secants or cosecants in that chunk. So of course we went further than that. There they are. This is what you're missing.
You're not missing much, Landon. You're really not. I did get new boots, though, which is pretty cool. It's not like he can see them. He can't see them unless I stuck them in front of the camera.
All right.
But I'm not getting
There's
up
number
to do
10.
that.
Number 12. Jeepers Creepers.
Creepers, jeepers.
Number 14. Luke's like that guy.
That one was easy. Is it like, was it over 0?
And number 16. Is that away? This away, that away. You want to say, well, that's what you get for not coming to class. You don't get to see the boots.
See the what?
The boots. All right.
Number 10.
Number 10, he says.
Number 10.
Okay. That's fine. Why not? Numero 10.
You'll
yeah,
see the
'cause
boots
the
on
four-
Tuesday, Landon.
Because
We'll
of the
see the
4.
boots on Tuesday.
What?
I'm telling him he'll see the boots on Tuesday.
Unless he doesn't.
Unless he doesn't.
Jonathan wears flip-flops.
I'm not wearing flip-flops on Tuesday because I'm wearing the boots on Tuesday. Boots. Boots on Tuesday. The boots on Tuesday. The boots.
What about the cats?
boots and cats? I'm going to be wearing boots and cats on Tuesday.
All right. Number 10.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Cosecant. All righty. Y equals the cosecant of 4x plus 7 pi over 6. And the scary thing about this one is the 4.
Yes.
Because the 4 messes everything up.
Yes.
Okay. So let's find our details so that we can do stuff.
It's 1 over the sine of...
Right, so we're doing sine, right? That's our reference graph.
Everything is 1/4, or all the periods are 1/4 smaller.
Okay, so the period, what's the formula for the period?
It's the absolute value of b over 2 pi.
Absolute value of b over 2 pi.
And now we have
What is b in our problem?
It's 4.
4. So we got 2 over pi of a period.
Period of 2 over pi. That's whenever you...
That's not right.
What?
I thought it was 2
That's the
pi.
frequency.
2 pi over b.
2
That's
pi
the...
over
That's
b.
the-
Hold on.
2 pi over b. Sorry.
That's
So
not right.
the period should be half pi, not 2 pi.
That's crazy.
Malcolm makes another mistake. What?
So the period is pi over 2. Great. How do we figure out the phase shift?
It's
Because of the c, and we gotta do like
it's negative
c over b.
over b. Is it times b?
You might got it. What am I writing a 6 for? You might want to look at your notes. C, D, E, F, G.
Oh no, yeah, you're right. Yeah, negative C over B, or absolute.
Negative.
What?
C is what is negative.
C is what is negative. Well, the whole fraction's negative because math. You got it? Phase shift formula?
Negative C over the absolute value of B.
Yeah. And that's really why this is tricky, because B ain't 1, right?
B is 4.
B is 4.
7 pi over 6 over 4.
So what is that? That's like
Negative 7 pi over 24.
yeah,
So weird.
Negative. And that's the phase shift.
And that's the phase shift.
A third
So it shifted
pi.
to the left 7 pi over 4, and it has a period. It is half pi.
It's like tiny
'Kay.
and really far, or not really
like
far,
that.
just a little bit over. That is
Yeah, just a little bit over, just barely.
like a third,
Just a little bit smoochied.
Smoochy.
and it's crushed.
Smoochy.
And it's crushed. I don't know that that's the right word.
It took you from 2
It's
pi
crushed.
all the way down to half pi.
It is crushed.
It went from this big.
Devastated.
It went from this big, not here, but to here.
Yeah, it's devastated.
Let's just pretend that A is 1. Let's just pretend that A is 1. That's what.
Well, we can pretend that A is 1, but we don't have to pretend because A is 1.
It's B that we should pretend is 1.
Okay,
It
Landon.
is 1.
Okay, Landon. Get your facts straight. Oh, yeah. Okay, Landon. Get your facts straight. I don't know if you heard when I said it the first time, but I'm saying
B
it
is
again.
identifying as an A.
Yeah.
Yes.
2024.
Yeah, you don't even know what year it
Think
is.
about that.
B. That's what I said.
You said A.
Oh, he did say B.
Oh, Malcolm just can't read.
I just can't read upside. I just can't read upside down, Landon. I'm still blaming
Cringe.
you. It's all your fault.
Okay, so what do we need to do now?
Now we gotta put the asymptotes in.
Yeah, we gotta like put some numbers.
Shouldn't we like graph something like the sign of that?
Oh, first we need the asymptote.
Yeah, we're gonna graph the sign of that and then put the asymptotes and all the things. We don't need to first need the asymptotes. First we need where we're gonna put dotted, where we're gonna put lines. We gotta label the axes. That's like the most important part of these problems, is putting the correct numbers on the x-axis.
Yes.
Like if you get everything else right and don't do that, then you lose most of the points, because that's like the main part of this problem.
It starts at negative 7 pi over 24.
It does.
And then it moves half pi in both directions.
So we're going to start at negative 7 pi over 24. And then we're going to move half pi that way. So how much would that be?
4 pi over 24. Or 1/6. Or
What?
pi over 6. Pi over 6. That's what I'm trying to say.
You're trying to move 12 pi over 24 that way.
Yeah, so it
Yeah.
becomes pi
4,
over 6.
yeah, so 4 pi over 24, which does become pi over 6. That's true.
Look at what I said.
What did he say?
Yeah.
We
yeah,
got it.
Landon, I
already.
know. I saw what you said. You're being very delayed in your responses.
Does it tell us how many periods we're supposed to graph?
It just says graphs on here.
So like a couple periods in is probably fine. We go back this way, pi over 2, and we end up where?
Negative. Why can't I think? 19 pi over 24.
Negative 19 pi over 24.
And we have to have both up and down in that same section. No, we don't. Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. That's a little section going up and down.
Let's do a couple more. So pi over 2 more this way.
Then we need 2 pi over 3.
2 pi over 3, and then let's do one more over this way.
I'm just going to tell you 31 pi over 24.
31 pi over 24, but negative, right?
Yeah. Probably. Well, would you want it as a mixed number? I don't know. Or would you
No,
want it as a-
we would want it like that. That's how we want it. Great. We're basing it as sine, so like halfway in between here, we need that information. We don't really care what it is. Actually, we do care what it is. What is halfway in between? What is this number right here?
13 pi over 24. No, it is not. I take that back. That's between the others.
It would be a fourth.
That's
Yeah.
between the others.
Yeah. So be that plus pi over 4. We need at least that one. We probably don't have to do all 4 of the little chunks, but we need at least that midpoint there.
Wouldn't it be negative 1 pi over 24?
Well, it would be, what is it? It would be 6 pi over 24, negative pi over 24, yeah. Obviously, I haven't drawn this to scale at all, but it's fine. Again, it's what you write numbers is the most important bit. That's what I'm looking at when I'm grading this thing. So we got a little sign thing coming in here. There's a 1, and there's a negative 1, and it's gonna go down to here, up to here. This guy up here to down there, etc. Oh, that's right. No, it's not. That would be to right here, right? So now we're going to put in some asymptotes, right?
Sine starts at, sine starts at 0?
Yeah.
1, 0.
No, that's right.
Cosines usually
cosine-
0, 0.
Cosine start at 1.
Cosine starts at 1.
Sine starts at 0. That's
True, true enough.
That's right.
True, true, true. All right. Asymptotes. So was there something you didn't understand on this problem, or just got
You just did it wrong.
scary?
It got scary, and I think it was just a fractional issue.
Probably. This, these couple of lessons, you end up kind of having to go back and do a bunch of little middle school math.
Yeah.
All of a sudden,
Back to middle school. Yay.
you go back and you're doing like, what you call it? Adding fractions with unlike denominators. There you go. Isn't it cute?
That's a really fancy word for what we did.
What? A really fancy word.
Yeah, denominators.
Oh,
It's a really fancy word.
that's not that fancy, bro. You learned it in like second grade.
No, I know. It's still a pretty fancy word.
Okay.
Like numerator? Numerators are pretty
Numerator.
Numerator.
Yeah, you didn't learn how to spell it in second grade, but you knew what it meant. You were not spelling it right at all, I would wager.
I would wager I still am not spelling it right.
That's probably true. Look what I said. Landon, we saw what you said a long time ago. You already responded to that. Where are you? Delayed, probably. Okay. Next lesson.
Next lesson, we
Law
are
of
talking about the
sines
law
and
of sines and
cosines.
cosines.
What did we do? 2 through 34?
34. It was 34. It was 34.
It was 34. There's no way I would have stopped one short. That wouldn't make any sense.
No, it wouldn't. And I thought that was kind of strange.
Okay. Number 2. H is 15 degrees. F is 55.5. G is 64.5. 4. S is 62 degrees. R is 6.6. S is 7. 8. No. 6. D is 83 degrees. B is 12.8. C is 28.7. 8. Left, about 20.1 feet. Right, about 49.2 feet. And it's 113 degrees. Excuse me. Number 10, B is 48 degrees. C is 24 degrees. Side C is 3.9. What?
Is the other side 7?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It doesn't say anything about that.
What? Oh, it's because we were given that. Okay. The triangle's not complete, but we were given 3 things in this one.
12. 18. B is 18 degrees. C is 135 degrees. Side C is 27.8.
I said all of that like 8 men ago.
What?
I'm reading Landon.
Okay.
Landon,
That's what happens.
You're
You're
weird.
delayed. Anyway,
You're weird.
where was I? 14. B is 14 degrees. C is 21 degrees. Side C is 8.7. 16, no solution. 18, invisible. Well, there it is. About 41 feet. 20, angle B is 52 degrees. Angle C is 102 degrees. Side C is 11.2. And angle B is 128 degrees. Angle C is 26 degrees. And side C is 5.0. 22. Angle B is 84 degrees. Angle C is 49 degrees. Side C is 25.8. And angle B is 96 degrees. Angle C is 37 degrees. Side C is 20.6. 24. Angle B is 30 degrees. Angle C is 132 degrees. Side C is 19.2. And B is 150 degrees. C is 12 degrees. And side C is 5.4. 28. Angle X is 11 degrees. Angle Y is 137 degrees. Angle Z is 32 degrees. Excuse me. 30 is, K is 23 degrees. L is 32 degrees. J is 50.7. 32. Angle F is 38 degrees. Angle G is 52 degrees. Angle H is 90 degrees. 34. Angle L is 131 degrees. Angle M is 15 degrees. And angle N is 34 degrees. What questions do you have on those?
Not a question, but 16.
Not sure.
Mad for like 20 minutes.
16 had you mad for like 20 minutes.
The delay is like 5 minutes long.
The delay is not like 5 minutes long.
the delay is not like 5 minutes long,
not.
Sean says.
Through it all. Let's see. Let's count. Okay.
I don't care.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 seconds long.
That is not 5 minutes. That is a lot shorter than 5 minutes, Landon. 15 seconds. Goodness.
Okay, anyway, where were we? Oh, 16 had you mad. Great.
16. Solution, I forgot to read that in instructions.
As possible. And you're like, why is this broken?
Syntax error. Sign can't be bigger than 1. What is
true. Sine can't be bigger than 1. True facts. Not a possible triangle. So any questions on those? We'll do 1 or 2 of the Heron's formula and area and other and side angle, side area ones since we didn't do those in class the other day to make sure you have them. I didn't notice that I wasn't assigning you any, so. Okay, well let's do a couple of those. Let's do 38 to start. We're going to use Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle, round to the nearest something, 10th. Great. Count.
What?
No, the delay is not like 5 minutes long. The delay is 15 seconds long.
We literally did count.
We literally just counted.
Sean was counting the whole time. He counted 1,
That's crazy.
2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 15, and then it hit.
All right.
Say that for me.
What? That's what you said.
Shut up. Shut up, Reese. Reese doesn't know how to shut his trap.
All right, so we're supposed to use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. What is Heron's formula?
It's like the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, right?
I don't know, is that right?
Where's the page? Yes, that is right.
Good, you did it. We need another puzzle piece, right?
And s equals 1/2 of a plus b plus c.
Are you sure?
Yes. I was thinking minus minus, but it doesn't work like that because then you get negative numbers and we don't like i's.
Okay. So let's find S. What's 29 plus 25 plus 27?
81. It's 40.5.
81 halves. Okay. Great. What's 81 halves minus 29?
11 and a half, so 22 halves.
No. What?
22 halves.
No,
23 halves.
23
23
halves.
halves.
23 halves.
This guy over here.
I left off 1/2, okay, Malcolm?
It's fine.
It's no big
Everything's
deal.
fine.
It would just change the entire problem.
We're just trying to figure out how much oxygen to fill this tank with.
What?
Trying to think of something vital, more vital than our gravel driveway.
Yeah.
Something that it would matter if it was a little bit off. Because with the gravel, let's be honest, you're going to buy an extra bag of gravel. What's 81 halves minus 25?
31 halves. And I'm right that time, Malcolm.
What's 81 halves minus 27?
27 halves.
What's all of that multiplied?
Let me do some math.
Let me do the math.
81 times 23 times 21 times 27 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2.
Just divide by 16.
Well, it's easier to just go ahead and divide.
No, it's not.
It's 6,620.0625.
What?
Mine doesn't give it to me in fractions.
What?
66020.0625. And then square root that, and we get 256.9436952. 4.
Pretty sure it says round to the nearest tenth.
I don't know, I was just giving you 100, because that's what I always go to, and then I look at the instructions.
It says round to the nearest tenth, bro. Beautiful, we did it. Let's do one of the side angle side ones.
That
Hold
was
on.
easy. That's
What did
like
I miss?
Shorter.
I missed something.
B half of B times C times the sine of it, right?
Yeah.
What did you miss? Nothing.
What?
Did you forget to divide it by another 2?
Oh, I put 29 instead of 31.
Ah.
29 instead of 31. That's crazy. Bum. Okay, let's do 46. Triangle, JKL. And we've got L is 67 degrees. J is 11 yards.
Why don't you give us the other one in inches?
Yeah. K is 24 yards. And we're supposed to find the area. So, what do we do?
1/2 B times C times sine of A. Is that right? Yes, that's right.
Great. So 1/2 of 11 times 24 times the sine of 67 degrees. 12 times 11, is that 131 or something?
12 times 24 times 11 is 260.
I don't care what 11 times 24 is. I care what 12 times 11 is.
It's 132.
Oh, yeah, 32. Oh, yeah, because math. I was just one off, same as you.
Shouldn't it be 32 instead of 31?
Yeah, and then I still wrote 131. Okay, great. Then what's 132 times the sine of 67 degrees?
121.5. Wait, is this one to the 10th or the 100th?
Tenth still, I think. Yeah, tenth. Any questions on those problems?
No, those were easy.
Any questions from the study guide?
Maybe a few.
I always have more trouble with the questions during the lesson than like doing the homework.
Do what?
I always have more trouble like during the lesson than during like doing the
Because you're trying to pay attention to too many things.
No, I think we're good.
What about you, Malcolm? What about you, Landon? Any questions from the study guide?
He still just says count.
I know. Well, we have to wait 15 seconds before he can hear that.
That's true. He may have left.
It says there's one concurrent viewer, although that's been like varying.
I think it's been 15 seconds.
Landon, come here. Ask a question. Or don't. We don't care.
You have 15 seconds to ask your question, Landon.
Your 5 minutes is up.
You probably didn't hear that, but Reese said you have 15 seconds to ask a question, or we will detonate something.
He's fine, he says.
I'm fine. Well, hello, fine. I'm Malcolm.
Okay, boys. Go home and study. Like, actually study. Like, for real.
I'll just do it in here and wait for my grandparents to arrive.
Well, that's fine. You can do it here and at home.
Yeah.
You can do whatever.
I need to do the homework that I didn't